How would you like top social media marketers, video marketers, bloggers, website owners, e-com store owners, and other online business owners in your niche working to help you get more leads, sales, and profits? What if you had the option to get laser targeted traffic and top shelf backlinks from a massive network of authority blogs spanning any niche you choose? Or the ability to upload videos and content with your website, affiliate, or product links onto hundreds of active YouTube accounts, and even sharing your content on thousands of real social media accounts on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and Reddit. Yes, you can absolutely make your content go viral, having multiple people sharing it on multiple social media accounts with just a click of a button. Better yet, all the traffic you're gonna get is real. No bot-driven traffic, no fake names and email addresses, no crossing fingers and hope that it's gonna be shared, or holding your breath while you wait for a software to deliver what was promised. Just real shares, complete posts, and tons of traffic directed to wherever you want them to go. Can you even start to imagine what you'll do with all of that traffic? Now, of course, you might want to know, why would highly successful people want to voluntarily help you get more traffic, sales, and profits? And to understand that, you first need to understand the power of community. And when it comes to online community, there is nothing more unstoppable. After all, isn't that the basic science of anything going viral? Person A shares something with person B, who then forwards it to person C, D, and E, and before you know it, you have an entire community of like-minded people all drawn together over a common idea, belief, or interest. You see, I've been in this industry for more than a decade now. I've sold products to over 150,000 members, and just last year alone, I sold more than $1 million worth of products. And believe me, there's no way I could have had nearly as much success if I hadn't relied on the power of community. Partnering with people to share my content and send me traffic has been invaluable. But how do you get the big boys to share your content when you're a total newbie? Or if your store is brand new? Or you're just trying to get your startup off the ground? Or there's a killer affiliate promotion that you want to promote, but you just need more reach? Well, that's why I created Traffic Ivy, and why many of the industry's most successful marketers are already members, with many more joining by the minute. Now, let me quickly tell you how to use Traffic Ivy to get real traffic to your offers today. All you need to do is choose your traffic points package below, log into your members area, and tell us where to send your traffic. We can post on people's blogs, social media accounts, display banners on blogs and websites, or upload your videos to our network of YouTube accounts. So you can get ready to see an ever-growing stream of real traffic, get real social shares across Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and Reddit, get real video uploads on hundreds of accounts and growing, place your articles and banners on people's blogs and high traffic websites, build backlinks on authority sites, getting you top ranking and massive organic traffic. It's all niche targeted, all shared by real people, and all ready to go when you need it. As your traffic is delivered, you'll get direct links to every Twitter post, every article share, and every YouTube video and Facebook post to see exactly where your content has been displayed. Then you're able to leave feedback. You can leave a rating, you can comment in our community-based rating system, so only the best traffic sources stay active. But I said free traffic, right? So what happens if you want more traffic than you have points? You see, that's where community really kicks in. You simply connect your social media accounts and websites. You earn points for sharing relevant community content, and then you spend your points on targeted traffic to your offers. And when you join today, you'll also get access to our Marketing Kickstart training area with best practice guides, easy to follow online business training, and an invitation to join our weekly live training calls and vibrant Facebook community. And this is all included in the low one-time price that you'll see below. The controls to the game-changing software platform are in your hands. So scroll down now if you want to learn more, and then click the button to create your membership and start getting your content shared moments from now. I'll give you a full 30 days to use this system and get as much traffic as you'd like. And if you're not thrilled with the results, you can let our team know and we'll refund your money. There's absolutely no risk for you and a whole lot of traffic to gain. So if you've seen even a glimmer of possibility for how you could use this traffic, then click below and I'll see you in the members area. Hi and welcome to this demo for Traffic Ivy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Traffic Ivy platform to get traffic to your sites, and also how you can unleash the power of Traffic Ivy to get an unlimited amount of traffic, as much as you like. I'll show you how that works in just a moment. First up, when you log into your dashboard, you'll see this here. Everything here is real-time statistics, so you'll be able to see how many blogs are in our network, how many social media accounts are in our network, where the traffic's being delivered, and all of that great stuff. But to create your own campaign, you come over here to My Traffic Campaigns, click on Create New Traffic Campaign. You simply fill in the details. You'll see all of these things here. This is going to be displayed in the Traffic Marketplace. Then you can choose the type of content that you want to share. You can choose to share an article on our massive network of blogs, or you can post it up on a huge range of social media sites, or you can upload a video, or you can even add banner ads onto other people's websites or blogs. Or if you like, you can do a combination of all of them. So choose the one that you want to do first and set up that content. You can create article content, which would include a title and then all of the content that you want actually posted onto people's blogs. So here you can add your own backlinks to your sites, you can add your own banners, you can add anything that you like pointing back to your site, getting you a whole lot of traffic. And once you're done, click Next. Then if you'd like even more traffic, you can click Social. You can choose which platform you want to display your ads on, and then go ahead and customize whatever it is that you'd like people to share on their own Facebook, Twitter, Reddit pages, Pinterest, and so on. Once you're done with that, click Next. If you've got a video that you would like people to share on their network, you can do that as well, and upload your own video to be shared on different people's YouTube accounts. So you upload a video and you can add whatever you like to be added into the description here, including your links to whatever it is that you want traffic to. And once you're complete, upload your content. You choose how many points you want to spend on each campaign. So in here, I'll share 10 points and I'll use a maximum of 100 points, and that means that 10 people are going to share my site and they'll be rewarded 10 points. My campaign is now available in the marketplace. And that's all there is to it. My campaign is now created, so you can go to the marketplace and you'll be able to see what everybody else is seeing and sharing for you. Your content with all of your backlinks, all of your affiliate links, anything that you like is now available in the marketplace for people to go and share on their blogs, their social media accounts, or even upload onto YouTube. They'll be able to come here, simply click and share on their blogs, and they'll be rewarded. And once they share, you'll get a breakdown of every link that's been sent. So you'll be able to come over here and see exactly what is being shared and where it's being shared. You'll be able to see all of your affiliate links, your backlinks, everything that you're planning on sharing and using this system for on a whole massive network of blogs. Plus, to keep the quality of the content that is shared as well as the traffic that's being received really solid and strong, we've developed a rating system. So you can come in here and rate. And as a person that's sharing content, if your rating is higher, you'll be able to actually earn more points and be rewarded for having better quality traffic. So that's how you'll be able to use your points. If you run out or you want more, you can always just get more. Connect your assets, including your Facebook account, your YouTube account, Pinterest, Twitter, Reddit, or LinkedIn, or you can connect WordPress sites and share articles as well. And then come over to the marketplace, find really relevant content, and share it to earn yourself some rewards. This really is an easy solution that anyone can use to get traffic to their links, to get eyeballs on their content, and to really start getting more of what you want without having to invest a whole lot of time. And thankfully, without having to spend a lot of money. I hope you enjoyed this demo video. If you want some more information, please check out the rest of this page. And I hope to see you on the inside.
Hi and welcome to Deepopper's Living Flip Flop Live. My name is Demetrius and this is a quick testimonial video for Traffic Ivy. Cindy Donovan released Traffic Ivy, where it's basically a software where you're going to be able to share other people's articles, posts, videos, banners, or they share yours and you get paid vice versa, and so you can get your stuff out there and get them viral. For example, I've set up my social media accounts and then I've also added a WordPress website. Now I'm driving traffic to a specific training that I created where I'm having people share this and they get points for sharing it. Now this training right here is found in the marketplace. So anybody that's using Traffic Ivy will be able to have access to this marketplace where they can go out and choose from each category and then choose the promo that they want to promote and post on either their blogs or their YouTube channel or the social media post, depending on what the specific article or advert is. So this is going to be given 15 points for sharing this campaign, and then I can post this, etc. I get the code and I post it on my website, etc. And I make points. I get points. Now these points are going to help me get my stuff shared around. Okay, so people are going to be earning traffic by basically sharing articles to their blogs, sharing social media posts, through YouTube channels, through banner ads. This is perfectly powerful because it will get people to work and push backlinks in each of the offers that are out there. And you can see that this is running right now and there are hundreds of points that are being spent, blog posts being shared, and this is something that anybody that wants to get traffic to anything that they have, come and use Traffic Ivy. I hope you enjoyed this quick testimonial video. Thank you, Cindy Donovan, for this amazing traffic software that you've released. Peace out.
Hello, I am Carla and I sell products online as an affiliate. And doing it many times, I feel frustrated with the results of my online campaigns. Sure, I'm not an expert, but I'm not a newbie either. That's why I want to tell you about this new great software that eliminates almost all the problems to get traffic online, and that I have been testing and achieving very promising results. With a very friendly members area, sincerely, I didn't need any coaching to start using it, as simple as it is. And now you can check that also. I believe almost all online entrepreneurs face daily problems or challenges to show their products to targeted buyers online, and I am one of them. I can easily spend good amounts of money in traffic, and in the end the return of my investment stays way below of the desired numbers or results. That's why I'm here to talk about this new great software. By making some tests, I could really see all the potential of Traffic Ivy. I can, and you also can, with a few clicks, show your content with other people in any niche, and also share other people's contents in your social platforms and blogs you own, and keep them with fresh and helpful content, and I think this is fantastic. So if you are like me and have some difficulties to make online campaigns, spend huge amounts of money and don't get the results you desire, this software is definitely for you. I have now the fortune to test it, but I can see this program is working and it will be the best platform to reach our targeted traffic in the most easy way that I can discover. If you are seeing this review, you must sign in as soon as possible as you can and start working with it to see that really I'm taking an honest picture of its benefits. If you often feel frustrated with the number of clicks to your offers, then you must sign in into Traffic Ivy software today. Plus, you like me have access to a great community online where Cindy Donovan, a great success online entrepreneur, helps the members to get the most profit of her softwares. She is launching now this great software as I can see and fortunately use it. Cindy is a so successful online entrepreneur and likes to help everyone in her community to achieve the same success or higher. So I hope you sign in today and get the exposure that you need in the easiest way and fast way possible that I have experienced ever. Thank you for your time and see you inside Traffic Ivy. Wish you all the success.
Hey guys, Dan Mahady here from danmahadyjr.com. I wanted to leave a testimonial for Cindy and everybody over at Traffic Ivy. I was able to get my hands on a review copy, exclusive access. I've worked the review. I've gone through the product. Everything is amazing. This product is probably going to be on the top 5 for the year when 2019 is said and done. You can see all the work that has gone into this product. Cindy and everybody, awesome job. This product will save you hundreds of dollars a month on traffic because we all know that, I mean, me personally, I'm spending $300-400 a month on traffic. I won't be doing that anymore. I'm going to Traffic Ivy. I'm going to pick up a monthly package. The platinum package is easily well worth the money. It's revolutionary what they're doing. I'm trying not to be too excited about it, but I can't wait until January 23rd. If you're on the fence, don't be on the fence. For the amount of money that you're spending on traffic now, this is well worth it. You're going to see your links, your ads on other people's pages in real time. And it'll be trackable. So you won't have to worry about spending extra money on trackable link programs and sources and monthly payments for that. So I would say go pick it up. Cindy and everyone, thank you over at Traffic Ivy. Great product. Can't wait until the 23rd.